Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to hook up 3 solar panels to one charge controller. It's a pretty simple process. All you need is 3 solar panels, charge controller, some batteries, and this 3-way connector you'll see here in a few minutes. I got all this stuff off Amazon. I'll throw some links down in the bottom here so you guys can see exactly what I purchased. Right now we don't have any shore power, or we don't have a pole dropped or anything like that for telephone wire power, so I have to do this DC power. So we're using solar. It's fairly simple, pretty inexpensive, and it's great for lights. Beyond that, if you're using it for running power tools or anything like that, it'll get kind of pricey. Here's that adapter I was telling you about. Just plugs all 3 panels into one output, and plug those outputs directly to your charge controller, and it's pretty simple. It's plug and play. So the reason we had to get some extra solar panels was it's been cloudy a lot lately, and we had some issues with our batteries running out. We only had one battery until a few days before this video, and it would run out and the lights would be really dim. So upgraded our solar panels and also got a few extra batteries just to make sure that we wouldn't ever run out. Now I have to wind these cords up. I got some extra long ones just in case. I didn't know if I would need them or not. I didn't. But I have a couple goats, and they like to get themselves tangled up in that stuff. Here you can see the charge controller not pulling any juice from the solar panels, and then here you see a little smiley face, and it's charging the batteries. Like I said, it's pretty easy. This stuff is not hard at all. Alright, so that's how you hook up 3 solar panels to one solar charge controller. It's pretty simple. I got that little 3-way connector. You can get a 4-way connector, a 2-way connector, so if you want to do 2 panels into one cord, or so on and so forth. Right now this setup's a little bit overkill, but we kind of want to have it. We had some issues with cloud cover for a while, and then we had issues with our lighting up here. So we have 4 batteries going in parallel. Plenty of amp hours, roughly 30 amp hours of battery, so probably about 120 amp hours total, and we're not using that much watts at all. We have 3 100-watt panels, so plenty of juice to power these things. Again, we're not using the full load, so yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe.